I bet you didn't know animals can have best friends too. We often think of friendship as something unique to humans, but the animal kingdom is full of surprises. Across the world, animals of all shapes and sizes are forming bonds that defy everything we thought we knew about nature. These friendships aren't just adorable, they're proof that kindness and connection can cross any boundary, even between species that are supposed to be enemies. Some of these unlikely buddies are cuter than any cartoon. Imagine a tiny puppy wrapping its paws around a fluffy kitten, or a rabbit and a guinea pig snuggling up for a nap. These moments aren't just heartwarming, they're real, and they show us that animals can feel love, comfort, and companionship just like we do. Sometimes, the most unexpected friendships are the ones that make us smile the most. Get ready, your heart's about to melt. These stories will make you believe in the magic of friendship all over again. Whether it's a gentle nuzzle, a playful chase, or a quiet moment of rest together, these animals remind us that love comes in all shapes, sizes, and species. Let's kick things off with Max the Golden Retriever and Daisy the Duck. This duo is the definition of opposites attract. Max, with his golden fur and big, friendly eyes, was used to being the center of attention, but when his family moved to the quiet countryside, he suddenly found himself feeling lonely and out of place. Max was feeling super lonely after his humans moved to the countryside, until Daisy waddled into his life. Daisy was a curious little duck who lived nearby. One sunny afternoon, she spotted Max sitting alone in the grass and decided to say hello. At first, Max wasn't sure what to think. He'd never met a duck before, but instead of barking or chasing her away, he just watched as Daisy came closer, her feathers shining in the sunlight. Instead of barking or chasing her off, Max did something amazing. He adopted Daisy as his sidekick. From that day on, Max and Daisy became inseparable. They explored the fields together, shared snacks, and even learned to communicate in their own special way. Max would wag his tail and nuzzle Daisy, while Daisy would quack softly and follow Max wherever he went. Now they snack, swim, and even nap together. Whether it's sharing a bowl of food, paddling side by side in the pond, or curling up for a cozy nap under the shade of a tree, Max and Daisy prove that friendship knows no boundaries. Their bond is so strong that even the neighbors have started calling them the dynamic duo. Seriously, how cute is a dog giving a duck a kiss? Can you even handle it? It's moments like these that remind us how pure and genuine animal friendships can be. Max's gentle kisses and Daisy's happy quacks are enough to melt even the coldest heart. Next, meet Milo the cat and Kiwi the parrot. Now, you might think a cat and a bird could never be friends. After all, cartoons have taught us that cats are always chasing birds. But Milo and Kiwi are here to prove everyone wrong. When Kiwi showed up, everyone thought Milo would think, tasty snack. But nope, these two broke all the rules and became best buds. At first, Milo was curious, watching Kiwi flutter around the room. But instead of pouncing, Milo just sat and observed. Kiwi, sensing that Milo meant no harm, started to get closer. Soon, they were playing together, chasing toys and exploring every corner of the house. Kiwi perches on Milo's back, they groom each other, and sometimes Kiwi even shares his snacks with Milo. Their friendship is full of surprises. Kiwi loves to ride around on Milo's back, and Milo doesn't mind at all. Sometimes Kiwi will gently preen Milo's fur, and Milo will purr in appreciation. And when it's snack time, Kiwi is always happy to share a treat with his feline friend. Who knew a parrot could feed a cat and the cat would just chill? It's a sight you have to see to believe. Their trust in each other is so strong that even their owners are amazed. It just goes to show that friendship can blossom in the most unexpected places. And guess what? There are way more unlikely animal BFFs out there. All over the world, animals are forming friendships that defy logic and expectations. From the tiniest mouse to the biggest horse, these bonds are a reminder that love and companionship are universal. Goats hanging out with horses, rabbits snuggling with cats. And even more surprising pairs are popping up every day. On farms, in homes, and even in the wild, animals are reaching out to each other for comfort and friendship. Monkeys playing with dogs. Imagine a playful monkey wrapping its arms around a happy dog, or a dog patiently letting a monkey climb all over him. These friendships are full of laughter, play, and trust. Turns out, love doesn't care what species you are. Whether you have fur, feathers, scales, or hooves, the desire for connection is something we all share. These animal friendships remind us that kindness, empathy, and love are truly universal languages. So, who's your favorite duo? The loyal dog and duck or the snuggly cat and parrot? Or maybe you love the idea of a goat and a horse sharing a field, or a monkey and a dog playing tag. There are so many amazing animal friendships out there, and each one is special in its own way. These stories inspire us to look beyond differences and celebrate the connections that bring us together. Drop your pick in the comments, And don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable animal friendships. If you've ever witnessed an unlikely animal friendship, share your story below. We'd love to hear it. And remember, every time you see animals showing kindness to each other, it's a reminder that the world is full of hope, love, and endless possibilities. Stay tuned for more heartwarming stories that will make you smile, laugh, and maybe even shed a happy tear. See you in the next video.